Hola mi amigos, this is El Chollin, the free hot springs where all the locals hang out.
Vagabond Vito.
This is El Chollin. The free hot springs here in La Fortuna. It's muy tranquilo here, guys. It's so hot, this water. You would love it so much. Oh yeah, you gotta love this place. Much better than Baldi, much better than Tabacon, and it doesn't cost you a colone. I'm working my way down the river. Wish me luck so I don't break a leg. So this water is so hot, it's kind of bizarre, but it's pretty safe to say that this is the most peaceful place in La Fortuna. El Chollin, gotta get it.
Vagabond Vito.